Welcome. If you're managing a Discord server and want to keep an eye on what's happening behind the scenes, the audit log is your best friend. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to view the audit log on your Discord server, so you can track every important action with ease. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has the right permissions. Usually, you need to be the server owner or have administrative privileges. Once you're in, head over to the server you want to monitor. You'll see your list of servers on the left side of your screen. Just click or tap the one you're interested in. At the top of your server's channel list, look for either the three dots icon or the server's name itself. Tap on it. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, select Settings. This takes you straight into your server's settings menu, where you can manage everything from roles to integrations. Now, look for the Audit Log option. On desktop, it's usually found on the left sidebar. On mobile, you'll see it as one of the categories within the settings menu. Tap Audit Log, and you'll be taken to a detailed list of recent server activities. Here, you'll see a chronological record of actions like role changes, bans, deleted messages, and more. Each entry shows who performed the action and when it happened. You can even filter the log by user or action type, which is super helpful if you're looking for something specific or want to narrow down your search. That's it. You've successfully accessed your Discord server's audit log. This feature is essential for keeping your community safe, tracking moderation actions, and ensuring transparency among your team. Now, you're ready to monitor your server's activity like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and happy moderating.